Hey y'all, it's your girl Brandywine back with another video. So today is wash day. We about to get this hair right cause we about to be lit for the weekend. So we about to do this thing. So this is an overview of how my hair looks before I wash it. It is full, beautiful, healthy, natural, period. So right here we're about to do the unboxing. This is what I got in my box. I did buy the full system of all their products. Here I got the board what you put your shampoo bar soap on. This is her oil. I already have an oil which you guys saw, so this is a new one that I got in this box. I also got a cute little clip for love. I got the herbal tea rinse, the strengthening mask which comes with a little spoon, and also I got some little keychains in the back, stickers and stuff, and also this is her shampoo bar. At this point I already washed my hair. I did use a shampoo bar. I did like it because it was easy application to get straight to my scalp. So here I'm using 3 spoonfuls of the hair mask powder. I'm mixing it with my conditioner. Alright, so here I am applying the hair mask to my hair. How I would describe this hair mask, it does have like little particles in it, like little beads in it. The best way to describe it is kind of like a exfoliating scrub. It does have like those little beads like sand or like sugar. Well, it's not sugar, but you know what I'm talking about, like those exfoliating beads in it. Some advice that I would give: do not try to detangle your hair while the mask is in your hair. After you wash out the mask, you go back in with conditioner and detangle your hair with just only conditioner in your hair. I did put on a shower cap in this clip, and I did go ahead and go under the hooded dryer for 30 minutes. After I completely washed out my hair, I did go ahead and let my hair dry overnight, applied some oil, and this is the next morning. So this is the next morning. This is how I sectioned off my hair the night before. I'm going to be applying more oil to my scalp. If you guys noticed from my last video, I spoke about my problem area, which was my temple area. As you can see here, the hair is growing in, y'all. Like my edges in that temple area right there, it is growing back. It was definitely more sparse. So this growth oil is definitely working for me, and given the fact that I've been braiding down my hair and doing protective styles, it's definitely been working for me. My edges and my temple area, sis, they coming back with a vengeance, okay? Like, period. So in this clip, you'll see my braid pattern. I usually don't do my hair like that. It's usually not my braid pattern, but I was already tired. Like, I had already did 3 heads already for the morning. At this point, it was like still 11 o'clock in the morning. So I had to make it do what it do. So that's my braid pattern, and I just did it. It's usually a lot smaller and a lot neater, but I didn't have the time. I just had to get this shit done. So as you can see, you'll see where I applied my glue. I apply it very far away from my hairline. I don't play with them edges. I don't play with my edges, and I don't play with my client's edges. Like, I apply that glue very far away. As you can see, there's still forehead, and then you see my hairline behind of it. Like, you can see where the glue is. You can see it. So here I am, reinforcing the back of my wig cap. What's going on with this clip? Okay, now you can see. But yeah, so now you can see that I'm reinforcing the back of my wig cap, and we're about to do what it do. So getting my blow drying it, make sure that it's dry all the way, especially by the air towels, because you know most people, that's most of the time their problem area. That's usually the first part of the wig that lifts up. So you want to make sure that your foundation is A1. So make sure that it's all the way dry and all the way glued down. So here I am now. adding my foundation, my makeup, making it blend in, you know. Gotta make it look like skin, look like, you know, we're doing bald head things over here, period. Alright, so we adding the glue, and now make sure that you spread it out very thinly so that you can get ready for your other layers of glue. I do at least 3 layers of glue. If you like to do more, that's fine. Alright, so melt that lace in, get that hair looking right, and then boom, who this? New hair, who this? What you say? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Who this? Baddie. Bad bitch. Period. Alright, y'all. So this is the end of my video. If you like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe, share everything. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Come check your girl out. Alright, peace and love. See y'all in the next one. Bye.